Hello, friends. Welcome back to night school. Tonight, we are doing handwriting. And handwriting today is page 57. So let me pull that up for you. There we go, page 57. And we will put our name and date on this. Let's dedicate this. Let's see what we got here. We dedicated it there. All right. Let's dedicate this class to one of my favorite handwriters. This guy's handwriting is amazing. Can you guess who it is? Can you guess who it is? Yes, this class is dedicated to Preston. Preston, your handwriting is so fantastic. I miss it. So today, Preston is going to be our guest teacher. He's going to teach us all about handwriting. And he's going to take us through this lesson. So if you're ready, here we go. This is page 57. All right, Preston says 57, and here we go. Let's start with our name and date up here. We need our name. Preston, I don't know your favorite color either. You don't have to text it to me. I'd be interested to know. I need to write those down. Name and date. Today is 3/4/21. Okay, and here we go. Right, Preston? Show us how it's done, good friend. Now, this one, the directions tell us to match each word. And here's what you're going to do. You've got the word David, Israel, Jews, and Samson. Okay. These are the words written in print, and you need to find the same word written in cursive and draw a line from the print word to the cursive word, okay? So Preston, can you help us out with the first one? I've got David. Do you see where the word David might be written over here? I think Preston would choose this one. It looks pretty close. So you're going to draw a line there. Okay. Now the next one is Israel. See if you can find it over here and draw a line to it. You do that now while Preston's working on it. Okay. And then we go to the next one called Jew that says Jews. Find the word Jews over here, draw a line to it. And then find the word Samson. Here it is in print. Find it over here in cursive and draw a line to it. All right, very good. Now we've got some of those on the other side too. This one says joyful, dedicate, island, and savior. We'll let Preston give us the first one again. Where is joyful, Preston? Do you think it's the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one? Preston's going to say this one, I'm guessing. Okay, it's your turn. Find the word, here's the word dedicate in print. Find the word dedicate in cursive and draw a line to it. And then we've got the word island. Find the word island and draw a line to it. And then we've got the word savior. And I need you to draw a line to it. Very good. You're doing great. Doing great, great, great. Well, Preston says it's time to move on, right, Preston? And we're going to listen and repeat the directions. Preston, would you read these for us? It says, write each letter several times. What? What is that word several? What does several mean? Anybody know what several means? Preston, do you know what several means? How many is several? Several is about 3. Usually when you say, I'll have a couple of those, usually you mean 2. You say you want several, usually you mean 3. So several usually means 3. So we're going to write each letter 3 times. Ready? Now we've got the letter I. We're going to trace it. Starts at the table, goes up to the ceiling, comes down to the floor. You do it. 1, 2. Oh, I like that one best. 3. Right. Some eyes. And then we go with the J. J starts at the table, comes up to the top, down all the way to the basement. 1. I'm gonna get the right one over there. I'm a noise in my kitchen. Oh, it's a cat. It's always a cat. They're looking for things to get in trouble with. Why don't you do that last one? We've got the letter S. Starts at the floor, comes up to the ceiling, back down to the floor, and ends. Again, start at the floor, up to the ceiling, down to the floor, one more, up to the ceiling, down to the floor. And I want you to do your own right here. Now we're on the letter D. D starts at the ceiling, down to the floor, back up to the ceiling, and a hook at the table, a handle at the table. Ceiling, floor, ceiling, handle at the table. Ceiling, floor, ceiling, handle at the table. And I'll let you do one right here. Okay? Very good. And now we're at the lowercase letters, so don't forget to trace those. And we start. Floor, this is a lowercase I. Floor, to the table, to the floor. Then we lift our hand and do the dot on the I. So we go floor, table, floor, dot. Floor, table, floor, dot. Floor, table, floor, dot. And then you can make your own right there. Next one is the letter J. Floor, table, all the way to the basement. And floor, floor, table, basement, floor. Oh, dot. Floor, table, basement. Whoop, I made that too high. Floor, dot. I like the J's. Floor, table, basement, floor. And I'll let you do one more over here. Now we're on an S. Floor, table, floor. It stays on the floor. Floor, table, floor, and swings out. Floor, table, floor, and swings out. Floor, table, floor, swings out. And you do your own right here. And then the last one today is a D. The floor, table, floor, all the way up to the ceiling and back down. Floor, table, floor, all the way to the ceiling and back down. Floor, table, floor, ceiling, back down. Floor, table, floor, ceiling, down. And there you have it. Okay, good job today. Good job on handwriting. Right, Preston? How'd they do today? Preston says you did great. Big hand for Preston, our guest teacher. You were fantastic today, Preston. We will see you for the next class, which is reading. I hope you have a nice lunch. It's a long time before I get to lunch, so maybe I'll go have a glass of milk, celebrating our capacity. Ever since we did our capacity lesson last time, now I want a gallon of milk, so maybe I'll have a glass of milk. All right, see you for that next.